Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google account name on your Android smart device. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel phone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the settings gear button. Select your user icon up at the top right. Select the personal info tab. You want to select the name section right here. Go ahead and select that. Select your name right up here at the top. And then you can change your first and last name. And then you would just select save at the bottom. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.